You are welcome to Ben Ambitious Inventions once again. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to use a multimeter for the first time to test the voltage of a dry cell. Unbox the multimeter and make sure you read the manual if it has one. So remove the multimeter from its box. Remove the case from the multimeter, then insert the battery. Most multimeters uses mic battery, so remove the back of the multimeter, then insert the mic battery into the multimeter. Now put back the case onto the multimeter. Turn the multimeter on to see if it is working. So this multimeter is working. Now insert the negative terminal into the COM, that's the black cable, and insert the red cable to the volt terminal when you want to test the voltage of a dry cell. Connect negative to negative and positive to positive to test for the voltage of the battery. So this dry cell is reading 1.338 volts. Then this small dry cell is also reading 1.358 volts. To test for any voltage above 2 volts, set the probe to 20 volts so that you can test. So I'm going to test lithium ion battery. This cell is reading 3.63 volts. So it means that the cell is active. So this is the simple guide on how to use a multimeter for the first time. I hope this video is helpful to help you use your multimeter for the first time. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.